Here are the top 10 things that you should be buying at Dollar Tree right now. So run to Dollar Tree after watching this video. Make sure that you strap your coffee in its seatbelt because we are going for a fun ride, my friend. Starting off with number 10, it is pool noodle season. Now is the time to stock up, but you can use these not just for your pool. In fact, I use them in other places more than the pool area. In fact, I use these all around my home in places that have nothing to do with a pool. So for example, you can use these in your drawers if you need a little extra padding in the back. I've used this in my silverware drawers. You can also use these in your boots. I made an entire video dedicated to Dollar Tree pool noodle hacks, 15 actually. I will link that in the description box below. If you're planning on doing any gardening this year, whether it's indoor or outdoor plants, grab your potting soil from the Dollar Tree. Yes, 8 pounds of it for just $1.25. This can really add up if you are at Home Depot or Lowe's or other places that sells this potting soil. It gets really expensive, especially if you need to fill a larger pot. And while you're at it, go ahead and grab some pruning shears if you are in need. I recently bought some from Michael's and they were $22. Granted, I did use that 20% off coupon, but for $1.25, I'm gonna stock up on some Dollar Tree shears. And the watering cans, again, you can use these both indoor and outdoor. I love them. They are so beautiful and spring inspired. It just makes me want to water all the things because of these beautiful cans. And you never have to wonder where you put your can because it's so bright and out there. It's hard to miss a hot pink watering can. I've recently been working on my mom planting skills. We are done having babies and I have no pets, but I want all the plants. So if you are looking for a great deal, I would definitely head over to Walmart. I have bought some beautiful plants from there. In fact, that's probably the only place that I get my plants now because they are such a great price. Also, you can find some really great clearance price ones. Yes, and you feel like you've revived a plant, just like, I don't know, getting an animal from the shelter or something. I don't know. In a recent video, I had purchased some Dollar Tree pots and then some Walmart flowers and showed you how I put everything together. But many of you showed me that you can actually water through the bottom of the pot spout, I guess is the best way that I can describe it. So I gave this a little whirl. I thought, oh, that's ingenious. I thought it was just to see the water level if your plant was overflowing or not, sort of like a drainage hole. So I tried watering it this way and I have to say it wasn't my favorite strategy. It was much easier just to water from the top of the plant. However, I do like the option because then you can get the water to the roots faster. So thank you for the tip. Easter is upon us and Dollar Tree has got you covered. Yes, save your money from Walmart and Target, Amazon, and you're gonna wanna head to the Dollar Tree. And again, it depends on the Dollar Tree that you're going to. The one that I went to today was like jackpot gold. Seriously, like I was in there for hours on end just roaming the aisles with all the goodies and my cart was definitely full. And yours might be too if you want to stock up on your Easter stuff. I love that they have a variety of options available when it comes to the Easter stuff. You have both indoor and outdoor activities, but how about these really cute bunny ears? I had a lot of fun putting these on my daughters and we were able to snap a couple pictures and just celebrate the holiday a little bit earlier. Sometimes it's just the little things that make all the fun. Now we can make cupcakes and muffins and our little bunny ears and have memories for a lifetime. And of course, I had to get some hula hoops. Yes, I love hula hooping and I wanted to have a little contest with my newly 9-year-old daughter. And the nice thing about the Dollar Tree ones is, well, they're really cute, but they also came in a variety of different sizes. So I opted for the larger one and I gave the smaller one to my daughter. We're gonna do a little hula hoop contest here. Let's see who wins. And the winner is... yours truly. Yes, I do not let my kids win. I gotta give them a challenge because when they really win, they are jumping up and down telling the whole neighborhood that they won. We still have snow on the ground here in the Midwest, so these were great to do in the inside if you have the space for it. Come off their screens and tablets and just does something a little bit fun, gets you moving around. It's kind of like cleaning, you know? You start cleaning one thing and then you want to get the next thing and the next thing, and then 4 hours pass and you're like, wow, look at all the stuff that I've got done and the dirt that I've cleaned. Does that just happen to me? And if you do not want to do any work when it comes to putting Easter baskets together or creating Easter gifts, at my Dollar Tree, they had some made ones to give you ideas if you wanted to shop those, or if you just want to grab this basket. Of course, you have to pay for all the contents inside, but again, these are going to beat Walmart prices. Walmart had these giant egg baskets, which were pretty cool once you dug in there. A lot of it's a little bit of junk, kind of a lot of junk. I mean, it's all kind of a lot of junk, right? But the kids have so much fun digging into it, so save yourself some money. Just head to the Dollar Tree. I have never purchased flowers, like real flowers or planting things from the Dollar Tree, but they are a steal of a deal. And when I saw these flower rockets, I was like, heck to the yes. What is this thing? Is it making my life easier? Yes, it probably will. It is super cool. I have to try this out. Countless flowers, over 500 seeds. It's a never-ending bouquet. And while we are at it, here are all the pots that Dollar Tree was carrying. Different sizes, different shapes, different varieties. Pick your poison. They also had the planter saucers. I had not seen these before, so I also got very excited about this one. Here's a little trick. Rather than buying the planting gloves in the planting section at Dollar Tree, head over to the sort of automotive section and you can find these woman workwear gloves. They are amazing. They definitely help at keeping the moisture out when you are doing planting or working outside, and they're more durable than the planting gloves. So I went ahead and planted my first flower rocket. That name is genius. By the way, I put it in this pot. I put 2 in a pot. We'll see how they do. Covered them in soil. Got very excited. You have to make sure that you get it really, really moist. It says to water it twice a day until they start to sprout. And then you can go ahead and just water it once a day. I mean, this is like a full-time job taking care of these plants. And then it was time for the tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Put a little salt on there. It's like goodness. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the things. Healthy snack too, and you feel good about it. So yes, I want a pot full of tomatoes. So again, I took my herb rocket, put it in the soil, and then made sure that it was nice and moist. And I will be watering this baby twice a day. I'm on like mom plant duty for the next several weeks until something sprouts. I will let you know if these work or not. I've heard great things about Dollar Tree seeds and all planting things, so I'm very hopeful. If you had any experience growing the seeds from the Dollar Tree, will you let us know in that comments box below? The other thing that I showed in a previous video were these Job's fertilizer sticks. So I didn't know if the soil was going to be really good at Dollar Tree, and one of you had actually recommended that I fertilize the Dollar Tree soil to make it even better and make sure those plants are thriving. So I put 4 sticks in there. On the back of the container, it will tell you how many sticks to use based on the diameter of your pot. So I love that. If you're wrapping large items such as Easter baskets or random presents or vacuum cleaners or whatever it is that you want to wrap, get your bags from Dollar Tree. You're going to save yourself so much money and beat Amazon. I think last time I checked, you're going to save yourself over 50 cents if you buy the Dollar Tree big giant bags. Here's another little trick that I have. Dollar Tree sells a ton of different tablecloths, you know, like the pink and the blue by the party section. If you're wrapping something that's quite large, you can just use one of these tablecloths and then tie it off with a ribbon. Yes, I know, I've done this before. I had to wrap like the s'mores kit in the bag. The Dollar Tree bags weren't necessarily going to do it, so I took the tablecloth, wrapped it around, put a big bow on it, and it was like, huh, ta-da, beautiful. Oftentimes the Dollar Tree toys and games can be a bit, junky, shall I say? I mean, they are $1.25, but not this time of year, my friend, not this time. Check out all the games and toys that my Dollar Tree was carrying. I spent a lot of time in this aisle, and a lot of this stuff is really good quality and things that your kids are gonna have fun with and play with, and it's not just gonna get thrown in the garbage can. It's immersive. There's painting, there's activity boards, there's all the things. So if you are looking for parenting made easy, or maybe you have nieces and nephews or grandchildren, check out what's going on at Dollar Tree right now. My kids had a ton of fun with this dino clay. They love painting and crafting and doing all the things, using their imaginations, getting their hands in there, creating memories. This is parenting made easy. So if you have any nieces or nephews or grandchildren, they are absolutely gonna love this. And then the painting activities. My kids had a great time creating these, and then what's really fun is just to hang them up and display them. And the best part is it got them away from any sort of screens, fighting with each other, and they made some really cute projects. And the games, I wanted to check out this Monopoly one. We had a Target Monopoly, but I didn't love that. I mean, literally it was Monopoly at Target sort of thing. Like, you get where I'm going with that? Not old school Monopoly. I got rid of it. We won't get into it. Moving on. So this Dollar Tree Monopoly board, I was like, for $1.25, I mean, if it's junk, that's fine. But we actually had a really good time playing this little Monopoly board. This is also great for traveling. Every Wednesday, my son and I go out for a date to Culver's, and then we play some games while we're at the restaurant after we're done eating. And we can't bring these massive game boards. I mean, I'm sure we could, but typically we bring card games. But now we're gonna be bringing some of these Dollar Tree games on our weekly date night. And hold the phone, when I saw these Peppa Pig figurines, I got so excited because I was recently at Aldi, and Aldi has great prices, but the Dollar Tree, yes, much better price points than Aldi on these. So if you have someone in your life that loves all the little figurine things, like good quality ones, yes. Not only do I love all things cleaning, I love all things organizing. So when I saw this magnetic planner, yes, and you can erase it, you can put it on your fridge, you can put it anywhere that will hold a magnet. I have Post-its all over the place. I'm a Post-it junkie, but this is even better because it takes up less space, it's less clutter. And then I saw these erasable highlighters. I thought, does this actually work? I have to go home and test this out. So I grabbed a piece of paper, I put the pink on, and then I put the green on, and then I flipped over the other cap, and let's go to town and see if this actually works. The green works pretty well. The pink, it's okay. So I want to try it again here. Maybe I just do one line of pink rather than saturating the paper, and it did work better. Here's the key. You have to let this dry in order to fully see if it's erasing the highlighter. I like this product. In fact, I would give it an 8 out of 10. So if you're doing a lot of highlighting and you're finding the need to erase a lot of your highlighting, then you're gonna wanna get one of these. But I will say, I don't know the last time I thought to myself, yes, I need to erase the highlighter marks that I just did, but maybe it's because I'm not in school anymore. I don't know, but I think the product's cool. Party supplies. Now it's hit or miss when it comes to party supplies at Dollar Tree, but again, I told you that I hit the jackpot. Seriously, Dollar Tree is on their game. I recently bought a bunch of Amazon products for my daughter's 9th birthday, and they were great. They were amazing. But at this Dollar Tree, they had all the things that I had purchased on Amazon, such as this balloon arch strip. Stock up. It is kind of a pain in the butt to make these balloon arches. You can see this one here in my kitchen. I did this. This was an Amazon one. It does take some time, but it looks oh so beautiful and amazing, and we keep it up for about a week. It just adds a little extra zhuzhing to your birthday party. In fact, I like to decorate pretty big for Easter. It's just, I prefer Easter over Christmas. I think there's less stress. It's just easy. It's fun. We do games. Can anyone else relate to that one? So anyways, I love the decorating when it comes to Easter. I mean, we go big. Check out these yardstick balloons. I have something similar to this that you actually put on your table, but this is awesome. That way, if you're having a party, or actually graduation is coming up here in May. Yes, to let everybody know that, hey, this is the party spot. You can stick them along your driveway, just put them in your yard. Oh, and I love the Dollar Tree party candles. I have never seen so many of these different styles before. You're gonna save yourself a ton of money, so stock up on these babies. And how about these photo booth props? I was in love today at Dollar Tree. These are so cute, especially for $1.25. If you're having guests over, you're hosting a party, it's just a little something extra fun to do when you lay everything out and then you create a little photo booth. We did this once at Christmas time, but this Dollar Tree option, well, should I say $1.25 option, is way easier. If you need any sort of hanging decor, again, stock up. Here's my rule of thumb. If I see something at Dollar Tree and it's within my budget, I get it, because I don't know if, one, they're gonna carry it again, and two, if I go to a different Dollar Tree, they're probably gonna be carrying something completely different. Lights are hit or miss when it comes to Dollar Tree, but I will say these ones right here have been a winner. I bought a dinosaur one for my son, and then I thought, well, these would be great in a goodie bag for my daughter's birthday party that is coming up with all of her friends. And for $1.25, heck to the yes. So I saw these globe ones and I thought, well, this is super cool. It's color changing. Does it actually work? Let's try it out. So I bought a bunch of them, and I was just crossing my fingers that they would work, because who's going to want to return these things? Doing returns at Dollar Tree is kind of a pain in the butt, if you ask me. And as you can see here, this battery storage container, yes, this is a Dollar Tree gem. This is another item that I do like to stock up on, because you can put so many things in here, like all of your cords, all of your chip clips, old the things. And I also like to use rechargeable batteries because we go through a lot of batteries in my house. At first I didn't think this globe ball disco thing actually worked, but you got to put it in a dark setting. I thought I would be able to see it a little bit better in the light. And as you can see here, this is in the bathroom. It looks so fun and amazing. And for just $1.25, what a great Easter basket idea, gift idea, goodie bag idea, along with all the party supplies or all the gift wrapping items. Look at all the variety of gift bags that this Dollar Tree has. Amazing for all the things that you need to wrap up. This would be an excellent opportunity to take advantage of all the beautiful things that Dollar Tree has right now. So I put together these gift bags. Fun fact, if you are looking for gift fillers, Walmart often has really great options. I found some of these items on clearance, which almost blew my mind. Each piece was just about $3 and under. If you're wondering about these big glass jars with the really chic black tops, I recently, like 3 days ago, stocked up on like 7 of these from Target. It was in Bullseye's Playground. You know the little area when you go into Target and then you're like, ooh, look at all these goodies. This is amazing. I could spend hours here in just this little spot. This is why I don't go to Target very often, but that's where I got them in case you're interested. If you love them, I would go to Target. But first go to the Dollar Tree so you can save yourself more money. I was so impressed with all the florals and greenery that Dollar Tree was carrying right now. In a previous video, I made this very beautiful wreath for my 2-year-old's bedroom, and I was like, good job, Andrea, like good job. I'm not a crafty person, and so the fact that I was able to put this together, I was like, yes, I'm doing it. Well, this particular Dollar Tree had other bead wreaths available. They had this white one and this brown one, and I thought I could make something super cool with that. So that's gonna be in a later video, but I did have a black one when I had done a previous Dollar Tree haul, and so I stocked up on the greenery at Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make something for my son's room. I just took a little floral wire and some wire cutting scissors and went to town, as you can see here. This was so easy, and working with floral wire, like this is a no-brainer. And I have 2 sons, ages 4 and 7, and they share a bedroom, and I thought this wreath would look beautiful in their vintage dinosaur inspired bedroom. As you can see here, it looks so beautiful. I can't wait for them to come home and see it. It's just a little thing sometime, and the fact that it was homemade makes my heart very happy. Here's the other thing. If you want to take this wreath apart, maybe you want to do an Easter inspired one, all you have to do is unroll your floral wire and put whatever flower or different trinkets that you want in there. Or you could just keep them and just rotate them around your house depending upon the season. And in our #1 spot are these bowl covers. These are absolutely amazing. Not only are you going to save yourself dishes if you have leftovers rather than putting it into another container or having to get out your plastic wrap or your cling wrap. You want to do something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly. This idea is so simple, but it is so genius. So I put it to the test, and unfortunately it's only going to fit bowls, or if you have Tupperware that is about the same size as a bowl, but it works amazing. So if you have some leftover soups, some noodles, whatever you're eating is in that delicious bowl, use this little cover to cover everything up. You can see that this is easy to put on, and it's really easy to take off. Again, this is one of those items that I'm thinking I'm gonna stock up on these, or I'm gonna get one for myself, my friends, my whole neighborhood, because once they get one, they're gonna say, what the heck is this thing? And they're gonna use it and say, oh, this is awesome. It solves just one of those everyday little annoyances or problems. And it's fun to put on. Did you notice a little smiley face on the plastic cover? Cute, because that's how it makes me feel when I put it on. Happy. If you want to see some more fun and clever Dollar Tree tips and tricks, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.